Good morning, Chef.
Morning.
Let me welcome you to day 2, and we are in the floor area of competition. We have the General Secretary of SICA, Mr. Sitaram Prasad. Welcome to the show, Chef.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit about the competition that's taking place today?
The competition today, the categories what we have for today is we have vegetable carving live, where the contestants have to come here in a specified time. They have to carve the vegetable carving, and judges will be judging. And then we have three plates. Three desserts have to be displayed, pre-plated, and well presented and garnished. So that judging is just now got over. And then we have petit fours. Petit fours is something which is a bite-sized, nice, small sweets, desserts, and whatever it is. And that has come out very well. We are witnessing some fantastic presentations here, as well as we have a regional Indian cuisine. This is a category which was introduced last time, and this time the very big response. Around 50 to 60 people are there. It's basically regional Indian cuisine is not that just keep idli, sambar or bisabelabad. It is a kind of research food which they have to do.
So across India.
Across India, and guys have gone from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. People have done east, west, north, south. People have done research, and we are able to see some good recipes which we have not even seen earlier, like so far. Interesting, and it's a kind of eye opener for us, as well as so much of recipes are there in Indian cuisine, and people are very enthusiastically participating. Very importantly, a lot of student chefs are participating in this event. This is the 4th edition of SICA Culinary Competition, where the participation is overwhelming, and people are very much interested. A lot of young chefs really coming forward.
I believe there are a number of chefs have also increased the participants.
See, I can tell you, this is one of the India's biggest culinary competition happening. And so far, no competition in India have witnessed so many number of participants, and it is spread across 3 days and different categories. As well as for the first time, a team from Mauritius is participating. International team has come and participated. First time we were experimenting, and I think everything going on well. We will definitely have 15 teams minimum next competition.
Wonderful. So, in passing, what do you want to say for the aspiring chefs who are going to watch this across the globe or through the internet? What do you have a message for them?
The message is Indian chefs are ready. I think we were a sleeping elephant. I think now when we wake up, we will rule the world. That is what I can say in culinary I'm talking about. And the reason why we are having this kind of culinary challenges, benchmarking ourselves across the city or the country, as well as we want to upgrade ourselves and go and compete in the international competitions. And India, as of now, we are in 80th place. We need to reach the first place. That is our target.
Great. With that wonderful thought, thank you so much for your time, and all the best for the coming events.
Thank you very much. With all your support, I think we will be able to do it better furthermore. Thank you.